What it do, gang? It's your boy Two Time Moto TV, and we're back with another one. Guys, we've hit a milestone on this channel. Thanks for the 5K subs. We're gonna keep going up, man. Everybody stay positive. I greatly appreciate everybody inputting in on the channel. Thank you once again. Also, thanks to all that submitted their cars to my email address. That is twotimemototv@gmail.com. I plan on doing these kind of videos once or twice a month, and there will be cash giveaways in the next upcoming videos that are like this. So you guys, man, keep doing what you're doing, submitting those videos, pictures, information on y'all cars, the whole nine, to that email address, and there will be cash giveaways in the future. And also, the bang for the buck, you get to see your car on this YouTube channel. So that's for the whole world to see. Once again, I greatly appreciate everybody that's involved in this video. There was one person with their car that they did submit that I don't have the information on you. I'm sorry, they got lost in my Gmail account right after I uploaded your pictures. Once again, I'm sorry for that. If you want to re-upload some pictures to my email address for the upcoming video, I greatly appreciate it. But without further ado, guys, let's get started. Alright, so for the first car, we got Street Pressure 392. His name is Al from Central Florida. This is a 07 Crown Victoria with a chameleon paint job, 3-inch lift, fiberglass door panels, 26-inch Azara wheels, Mechman alternator, rim lights. Guys, I'm really digging this car. I definitely love the colors that he went with to make this thing pop like that. I mean, yo, the combination and how well that this car is put together, like, I love it. I love it top to bottom. I don't think that I would even do anything different, but his future plans are peanut butter seats, custom grill. He mounting this bad boy up on some 30s. I can't wait to see that. Fiberglass dash, and he's going with the digital dash instrument cluster. Now that's gonna be dope as heck right there. Hey, just as soon as you do that, man, send me some videos and pictures. Let me know how that turned out, and I may have to copy that style. Well, that's basically what this whole thing is about, guys. If you see something that you like, man, don't be afraid to implement that in your build as well. That's why we're doing these videos. Next up, we got Chris the Chosen. This is a 2006 P71 Crown Victoria. He has a tune, 373 gears, intake, XO luxury staggered 20s. Yo, I'm loving the way that this car is sitting, yo. He got the 275s in the rear and the 245s in the front. She looks crazy, yo. Like, this car looks so mean. I may need to go ahead and buy another Crown Vic, guys, and do something similar to what this guy right here has, man. This project right here looks a ton of fun for one to drive, and I know he get eyes everywhere he go, man. Yo, it's blacked out. The combination that you got with this car, man, well done. He also has Class Glass Performance 4-inch hood cowl. Now, Class Glass Performance has a lot of hood for our Panther cars, guys. Y'all might want to go and check them out. They have 4-inch, 6-inch. They have smaller hoods than this, and then they have like dope designs with it as well. So, guys, go and check them out. His future plans are LS swap, which that's gonna be dope. And if you guys want to follow him, man, follow him on IG at GotSmokeTV. And that is for IG and his YouTube channel. Hey, man, dope Vic. I love it. I'm going to have to bite some of that stuff off in that car too, man. Because, I mean, sheesh. Like, that's going to probably be my next build. Something similar to that. And then I just want to have it as a street beast. Third up is D. He got an 81 El Camino. Yo, this El Camino is dope, man. Like, it makes me want to get one. I've actually seen one at the drag strip. Here's a little clip of it right here. Yo, I believe that these El Caminos are dope when they're done right. And he has a very tasteful looking El Camino right here. It almost made me want to get one. Well, not even almost. I may end up having to invest in the El Camino, guys. I love the way the car looks. Front, side, back, all the way around, man. When they're done right, they're very tasteful looking cars. He has a frame notch. He has a rebuilt stock 350. 28-inch dub ballers. I was gonna get the dub ballers in the 30s to throw on my Vic, but ain't nobody got none because 30s out due to COVID. So I had to, you know what I'm saying, do what I had to do to get some 30s or whatever. His future plans is a LS swap. Spintech exhaust to go along with the LS swap. Yo, that's gonna sound dope as hell, man. He also has a 96 town car on 8s. I don't know too much about it, but he says that the only thing the car needs now is a paint job. I'm assuming that interior is good. He have a system, and you know, the car is pretty much complete. Yo, I love this car as well, man. Very dope. Very good looking cars, man. You definitely have two nice vehicles, and I want that El Camino. So whenever you want to sell that El Camino, man, let me know. That's gonna probably be the next car added to the channel. Hey, we got my boy Chuck, aka Panzer Platform. A lot of you guys probably know him as well. He also has a Panther Platform channel, so go check him out at Panzer Platform on YouTube. He has two very nice cars here, man. Two very nice cars. Very clean. He didn't have to do anything to it, but he kept them very clean and in pristine condition, man. That's one thing that I like about Chuck as well. He likes to keep it simple, but his cars are also very clean. He has an 04 Crown Vic that you see to the right. And that was his daily commuter from 2009 to 2018. He said that he basically retired that car, so he don't want to really put any more miles on it because he has that 2010 that you see to the left, which is a Grand Marquis. That is his daily commuter from 2018 to the present day. You guys also see that Grand Marquis in a lot of his videos. Go check his content out, man. He is very knowledgeable about these Panther Platform cars. He know the ins and the outs, and he also can give you guys ideas about custom pieces that you can also add to your cars as well. Hey Chuck, keep up the great content, man. Hopefully to do some collaboration in the near future. Just let me know. You know where to find me. Next up, we got your boy Dre. He's also a Florida boy. And before I dive into this Crown Victoria here, guys, does something look familiar to y'all? To the OGs of the channel, does something about this Crown Vic look familiar? I'll give you a second just to think about it. Alright, that's enough. But anyway, guys, those are the rims that came off of my Crown Vic. For the OGs of the channel that done seen my build from beginning to end when it did have the 28s on it, those are the rims that came off of my Crown Vic. So those rims are from North Carolina to being a Florida resident right now. Hey man, the car looks amazing, brother. Those rims really bought the car out. He got the same 5-inch lift kit that I have on my car, which is from liftthebrand.com. It's the complete all the way around front and back 5-inch lift kit. This is a 04 Crown Vic sitting on 28-inch Decenti rims. Very tasteful car. He told me that he have a lot of modifications coming soon. Definitely, I believe that paint was one of them. But that car has come a long ways from when I first seen it to me seeing it now. Yo, very good looking car, guys. Shout out Dre, like I said, for being involved in the channel and actually copping the rims off in the Crown Vic. Next up, we got John Flores. This is a Grand Marquis. It is currently straight pipe. Look like that they're sitting on some Cobra wheels, very tasteful wheels. I believe that that's what the Mercury Marauder runs with. I don't know if they come stock or if guys just go with that look, but this car almost reminds me of a Mercury Marauder. Very tasteful. I love this look. That'll be the look that I go for if I'm making a street car as well. His future plans are 373 gears, all black paint job, and long tube headers. Hey brother, if I was you, along with those two mods, I will also get a J mod. And I will also slap a tune on there. You can either go SCT tune or Marty tune. That'll really wake this car up. And maybe a Mercury Marauder rear spoiler. You might want to slap that on there before you even paint it black. And man, you will have a beast of a looking car. And two, drivability. Your car will be an animal on the street, I'm in belief. If you do those few things, man, you will have the perfect Grand Marquis to me. So gang, this is the person that I dropped the ball on right here. This is the person that I lost his information in my email account. But I'm just gonna go over the car and what I can see visually. This is also a very tasteful looking car, something that I would actually do as well if I was to get another Crown Vic. It looked like it has about a 3 or 4 inch hood scoop on it. Maybe running 22-inch rims. The only thing that I would do different with the rims is put just a bigger tire on it. But other than that, man, this car is mad clean. Brother, I'm sorry that I lost your information. You probably even had some details in there as well. But if you can, in the next upload, just resubmit some different pictures and just let me know all of your plans for the car and what you already have done to it, and then I can clarify all of that. And last but not least, I got my boy Boss Man in the building. Yo, shout out to you, Boss Man. Yo, you are gang for real, bro. You are the first to comment on my videos. You're the first to view it, drop a like. You're the first to hop up on my YouTube lives when I do go live, brother. Yo, shout out to you representing the two-time gang, hard body and residuously, bro. Like, I greatly appreciate it, man, and I'm glad to have you part of the family. Brother, you got a beautiful Crown Vic, and I also thought it was mine sitting back there on the back of your trailer. Like, I had to take a double look at the picture, and I'm like, how you got a picture of my Crown Vic, bro? Like, you just don't know what was going through my mind, man. Yo, great looking Crown Vic. See, you got the hood scoop, blacked out tinted windows, sitting on some 28s. Yo, even the truck look good, man. You got that thing mounted up looking good. I see you got the charger in the back sitting on them things as well. I see you got the brush guard in the front. That looks amazing. A lot of guys don't have the full wraparound, and I actually think that it looks really good with that wraparound on it, man. Very good looking car. Very good looking car. Once again, man, shout out Boss Man. Bro, keep doing your thing. Yo, he lift Vics as well, so if y'all guys want to talk to him in the comments, man, he might can actually point y'all in the right direction, or if y'all need to send him your car, you might want to talk to him or holler at him about that. But yeah, Boss Man, drop your info in this video. It's up to you if you want to reach out to anybody that need help with that Crown Vic, bro. But once again, man, I greatly appreciate you, and keep doing your thing, brother. That concludes this video, gang. That was our first video ever getting you guys involved with the subscriber vehicles. I will get better and better as we go. So make sure that you guys submit y'all cars at my Gmail account. That's twotimemototv@gmail.com. Any and every build is welcome. Just make sure that you put down your name, your car, what it is, and your future plans for it. And the best looking car for the next video will get a $50 cash prize. So y'all look forward to that. Just make sure y'all send me y'all details on y'all cars, and make sure that y'all are sending them cars so that we can have more and more vehicles to talk about. Two Time Moto TV out, gang. Thanks for watching, and until next time, peace.